They buy low, sell high. Scalpers may be your only ticket to a sold-out show like the CMA Awards or a Titans game.
The people were frame deprived, and no ray traces were to be found, unless you were a scalper, and then you were living the dream.
A local man bought $600 worth of movie tickets to sell online.
A conference of international ticket scalpers.
Tickets, anyone need tickets?
Scalpers are the freaking worst and they're ruining everything.
From buying concert tickets to buying Pokemon cards, and of course PC gamers are not immune to this, graphics cards are being scalped like crazy, and we're absolutely fed up of it.
From Discord servers for verifications to captchas to Newegg shuffles, none of it is working. We still have a GPU shortage on our hands.
We have found the solution to this problem, but it does involve us opening up our wallets. The plan is simple. We are going to buy graphics cards from scalpers at scalper pricing and then sell them to you guys at normal prices to give back to you all.
We actually already have some people lined up on Facebook Marketplace, and we're going to go meet them now to buy these cards back. Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Good, how are you?
Good. So is this the 5070?
Yeah.
And you said it's new in box, right?
Correct.
Asus Prime.
Okay. Best Buy, okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me go ahead and grab the cash for you.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Cool.
Have a good day.
It's good meeting you.
4090, love that card.
It's totally legit.
Totally legit. Where'd you buy it from, actually?
Don't worry about that.
Okay. Okay. What total?
$2,000. Okay. We're getting a little close, but
I'm having some doubts, guys.
man, we're definitely getting a little thin. I mean, we should be good. We can afford some more, man.
Okay, so we got our meetup, right?
Yeah, we got another meetup. Let's go ahead and go. Hey, man, how's it going?
Hey, man, it's
nice
good.
to meet you. So 5080, new in box. You said 1600?
That was yesterday's price. Today's price with the inflation and everything, it's gonna be $2,000.
$2,000?
Yeah, I know what I have.
I brought 1600.
You're wasting my damn time, man. You know what? Forget this. No, I don't. Deal's off. I'm out of here, man.
Hey Jackson, how'd it go?
Not great. The guy changed the price last minute, and we literally don't have enough cash.
Okay, I was worried about that. Let's just regroup at the office and see if we come up with a new plan.
All right, I'll see you there. Man, this just isn't working, dude.
These damn scalpers! I mean, what they're doing is basically illegal. Like, why can't we fight back instead of giving them our hard-earned money?
You have a point. They are doing something that's illegal, so
I think we could bend some laws too.
Hey man, you got the 9070 XT?
Yeah, sure. Are you good with the price I asked for?
You said 1,000 was good? Could I hold it?
Yeah, I got you. Dude, what the fuck?
Okay, can I see it? Yeah, cool. It looks really nice.
Are you Jackson from the Toasty Bros?
All right, man, this is going pretty good, but I think we need to ramp up the amount of GPUs we're getting.
So I actually know a guy. He was into crypto mining, had hundreds of GPUs. I think I saw his listing that he's trying to get rid of all his graphics cards, some really high-end ones too. I think we could take advantage of this situation.
Man, this was such a good score. Matt was so right.
Man, I told you so. I got the hookups. Man, that was really awesome. Great score.
I just feel like we need to move on from Marketplace, though. We need to get bigger.
I've been thinking about it. It's a little bit risky. What about retail?
Come on, man, we gotta hurry. Come on, grab as many as you can.
Police! Oh, shit!